Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to open up an incognito sessions in the Google Chrome web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong 3 dot icon na yan. So click lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung incognito window. And then pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus N. So kailangan mo lang pagsabayin yan. And then i-click lang natin to. And then makikita mo kaagad dito na nag-transform na siya into incognito mode. So dito sa incognito mode, others who use this device won't see your activity, so you can browse more privately. This won't change how data is collected by websites you visit and the services they use, including Google, downloads, bookmarks, and reading list items will be seen. So, nandito rin yung mga kaibigan yung others dito sa mga kaibigan. Okay? So, kung paano pa natin itong i-option out. So, dito lang sa top right corner, makikita mo dito yung incognito. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, nandito na yung close incognito mode. So, kung gusto mong i-close, so i-click mo lang yan. Ayan. So, ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to go incognito mode on Google Chrome. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.